Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rafneet. Today I am updating you guys on my finale of Labor of Love It project pan. And I have two empties. One of them is totally unexpected. Before we get into the update, if you are new, please consider subscribing to my channel because I make a lot of panning videos. Now, let's get into the update. So this project was started by Nikel. She's on Instagram. I will link her down below. So the purpose of this project is to use your products. So it's just to release a little bit of pressure from hitting pan or using it up. So it's just like basically a really chill, laid back project pan. In here, you can just work on the items that you want to work on, but necessarily don't want to set any hard goals for them. So I had chosen 10 items in this one, and let's see if I was able to hit all of my goals or not. And the first product I have in here is this Becca Skin Illuminator sort of powder, like basically a highlighter from Becca. And my goal for this one was to use it 15 times in total. And last update, I only had one use on this product because it shattered on me, and after that I did not use it until I repressed it. I did repress it and I did get additional 14 uses on this one. And I've been using it after repressing. It's a really nice shade and it gives a really nice glow from within. It gives a little bit pinkish glow, but I don't mind that. This is how it swatches, and I've been using it even after hitting my 15 goals because I really enjoy this product. I'm wearing it today on my face as well. I forgot to mention that its shade name is Vanilla Quartz. That's our first product and a goal hit. And the next product we have is this Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. And my goal for this one was to use it 10 times. The reason is because I'm working on another blush in my Frankenly My Dear project pan and I want to finish it. That's why I just don't want to put a lot of uses goals on this blush in particular. And I'm happy to report that I did use it 10 times. So last update, I had 2 uses on this one and I got additional 8 uses, and I have also used it a few times more, and this is how it's looking like. I don't think that the dome is wearing off by any means, but yeah, I'm not looking forward to finish it yet, so works out for us. That is the second goal hit. And the other product with uses goal is this e.l.f. bronzer, and it's in the shade Forever Sunkissed. My goal for this one was to use it 10 times again, and I was able to do that. So there are some rings like surfacing, but not very prominent. I don't have a lot of uses on this one, so I'm not expecting to hit pan anytime sooner, but I did use it 10 times. Last update, I only had 2 uses on this one as well. And the reason I had to put 10 uses on bronzer again is because I had a Franken bronzer that I made myself by mixing one of the shade in my Pan That palette, and I wanted to use that up in order to finish the eyeshadow in my Pan That palette, which I did if you've seen my update. If not, I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I just realized I have 3 empties. Oh my god. Should I save them for the end? Yes, let's save the empties for the end and get the uses goals out of our way first. The next product is this Essence lipsticks in the shade just one lipstick in the shade Brave, number 13. And my goal for this one was to use it 10 times again, and I have hit my goal on this one. I have actually used this lipstick quite a lot. This is fairly new lipstick in my collection, and I'm really surprised how much uses I have on this one for being it not even an year old. I think this is the only lipstick I used for quite a few months regularly, and I just wanted to bring it back in, so that's why I just put it in this project. It has worn down to that E sign or like E letter. I am really excited because that is all of the lipstick bullet that I have left for this one. I might put it in my future uses. Last update, I only had 2 uses on this one as well. I think all of those 2 uses on blush, bronzer, and lipstick, they come from when I went out or like when I got ready for maybe going out for something. I was just using these products, and whenever I was just doing makeup at home, I was using my other products. I think that's what happened here. But for now, we have our goal hit on this. And the next product that I wanted to use 10 times is this AOA Studio liner slash shadow in the shade Disco. And this is how it's looking like. It has worn down a lot from that side, like from this side, because I was digging into here. I think it has started to dry out, but yeah, I was still able to like make it work, but it was tugging my eyelids when I was putting on by itself. So I kind of mixed it with some sort of moisturizer and some sort of concealer, which we're gonna talk next. Mostly I just wore it as a base for my green eyeshadows, or like for some other eyeshadows that I wanted to change the undertone of. Putting it down on the lid as a base would just make the eyeshadows a little bit more warmer that I was putting on top of this one. I don't have any major complaints other than the fact that it's started to dry out. And the next product I wanted to use 10 times is this e.l.f. concealer. I was mostly using it as an eyelid primer because this is really light for me. I don't know, in store lighting it looked different because there was no tester for me to like swatch it off. Also, I think I bought it in winter last year, and I could have been like less tanned at that time. But yeah, again, I did not test it on my skin before buying it. But yeah, it's like, it makes me look really ghost-like. It's in the shade It's in the shade Fair Warm. Of course, I'm not fair by any means. I'm more of light to medium. I have used it 10 times and we have some windowing showing on this product, but I wasn't using it a lot, so I'm not anticipating a lot of uses on this one, or a lot of uses showing on the bottle itself. And last update, I had 5 uses on this one. I got 5 more uses on this one to get it to 10. I think I have used it a couple times after as well. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna use it by using it as a eyelid primer. I don't use eyelid primer every day, but yeah. And the next item we have is this Persony eyeliner. And my goal for this one was to use it 15 times. And last update, I had 9 uses on this one. And I have used it 6 additional times to get it to 15 uses. This is how much product that's remaining in this tube, or like pen. And I have already rolled it into the Graveyard Project pan in order for me to finish it up. Now, let's move to our empties. And our first empty is this Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Last update, I had used it 15 times and I had the stopper removed. And I have used it 17 more times, in the total of 32 times to finish it all up. It's all dried out and there's nothing left in here for me to use. Even if I try to like put it on my eyelashes, it doesn't really show up. So I'm calling it done. That's our first empty. And our second empty is this eyeshadow in Essence Bronze This Way. I'll put a picture of how it looked like last time. And I had 9 uses on this one the last update. And this is how it's looking like today. It's all empty. I have used it 3 more times for a total of 12 times in this project to get it all used up. I am really excited to have another eyeshadow empty in my collection, so yay! And moving on to the last unexpected empty. This is the My Glam liner and I just wanted to use it 15 times. Last time I had used it 9 times. And I used it 5 more times to get it to 14 uses. And then there's a tiny piece that broke. And after that, I couldn't get anything out of this one. Like, I kept rotating it, but yeah, nothing comes off. And I am calling it done. I used that little tiny piece that fell off as like a black base for my eyeshadows. I used it all up. I was not expecting to use it this quickly, because this was a fairly new eyeliner in my collection. I only acquired it in like November last year. So yeah, this is an unexpected empty for me. So that's everything I had for this finale. Over and all, it was really successful project for me. I hit all my goals. I really like the structure of this project. There's no pressure to use things up, but still I used one thing up organically. That's really great. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. I hope you have a wonderful day or night, depending on when you're watching my video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.